Hi guys! Welcome sa Zip9. In this video ay magsimula tayo ng panibagong series. Maikling series lang ito, no? At purely practice exercise lang. Wala tayong masyadong i-discuss na konsepto. So, ang gagawin lang natin ay magsisimplify tayo ng mga rational algebraic expressions. Okay, let's start with 12/16. So, 12/16 is also a rational algebraic expression. I-check na lang yung definition, no? Hindi na natin i-discuss para maiksi yung video natin. So, maraming ways para i-simplify ito or another way of saying it is to reduce 12/16 to lowest terms, no? But one way is factoring, no? Yung 12 can be factored as 2 times 2 times 3 and yung 16 can be factored as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay? So, pag pareho, pwede natin i-cancel. And we have 3 divided by 2 times 2, which is equal to 3/4. So, ganun din dito, 16x squared y to the 7th divided by 24x to the 4th y cubed. So, ang 16, paano natin siya i-factor? Meron na tayo dito, di ba? 4 na 2. Tapos, ang 24 ay 2 times 2. That's 4 times 2, 8 times 3. So, pwede tayo mag-cancel. And then yung x squared, x times x. X to the 4th is x times x times x times x. And for y to the 7th, we have 7y over y times y times y. So, pwede tayo mag-cancel dito. Ang natira sa baba ay x times x, no? Tapos ito pwede tayo mag-cancel ng 3. So, ilan yung natira? So, this is equal to, sa numbers, ang natira ay 2/3. Sa x, may natira ba sa taas? Wala, no? So, pag wala, 1 yan. Huwag nyo kalimutang 1. Kasi when you cancel this becomes 1, di ba? X divided by x is 1, x divided by x is 1. So, kung gusto nyo lagyan na ng 1 yung mga na-cancel para sigurado kayo. So, 1 over x squared. At yung sa y naman ay may natirang ilan? Y sa taas, di ba? 4 na y. So, y to the 4th. Y times y times y times y. Tapos sa baba naman ay 1. So, that's over 1. So, that is equal to 2/3 o 2y to the 4th over 3x squared. Now, hindi ko kailangang gawin to, no? Yung maraming x saka maraming y, no? For example, ito, di ba, x squared divided by x to the 4th. Kung gusto nyo, idiretso nyo na x squared divided by, ano ang x to the 4th? Lagyan natin ng x squared para pwede tayo mag-cancel. So, pag x to the 4th, x squared times x squared siya, di ba? So, makakancel nyo na to. 1 divided by x squared, which is the same as this one. Okay? For number 3, we have xy minus y squared divided by 3y. Anong pwedeng i-factor out dito? Pwede nating i-factor out yung y, no? Kasi parehong may y yung terms na yan. So, this is common monomial factor, no? Napag-aralan na natin to sa factoring. Factoring common monomial factor. Ano yung common monomial factor niya? Y. Tapos ang matitira, x. Pag tinanggal ko yung y dito, x na lang matitira. Pag tinanggal ko yung isang y, minus y na lang. So, pag kayo distributive property, dapat babalik siya dito. Yun yung one way of checking if your factoring is correct. So, y times x is xy, tapos y times y is y squared, which means na tama yung pagka-factor natin. And then, we have 3y. So, makakancel yan. We'll have x minus y divided by 3. Okay? So, malinaw yung sagot natin. Sa una, ang sagot natin ay 3/4. Sa pangalawa, 2y to the 4th over 3x squared. At sa pangatlo, x minus y over 3. Okay? So, sana ay nag-enjoy kayo. Huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bring your friends to our channel and continue learning mathematics. See you!